फिल्म फिर हेरा फेरी से अक्षय कुमार का डायलॉग याद है ना आपको? पैसा ही पैसा होगा। बस फिलहाल वही हाल पुष्पा 2 द रूल के मेकर्स का है। 25 दिन तो छोड़िए, 25 घंटों में पैसा डबल होने वाला है, जिस हिसाब से ये फिल्म ऑडियंस को थिएटर्स में बुला रही है। The speed with which this film is minting money, no matter what statistic we give you, they'll seem outdated, but we'll try. According to SACNILC, the film has already grossed rupees 100 crore domestically in advance bookings and will get approximately 40,000 shows on its opening day. Not just that, it will release in 11,500 screens across the globe, thus becoming the first Indian film ever to get such a widespread release. ऐसे में many people are projecting it to amass rupees 270 crore globally on its first day. Just to give you some perspective, the record for the biggest opening by an Indian film is currently held by S.S. Rajamouli's RRR that had grossed rupees 223.5 crore on its first day. So, Pushpa 2 The Rule just might end up breaking its record. So far, the film has earned rupees 30 crore and counting across all languages within just a few hours of its release. Tickets in many cities are being sold for as high as rupees 1,800, but that hasn't deterred Allu's fans from filling up the theatres. Such was the demand that in many places, special screenings had to be held from as early as 4:30 a.m. There are also reports of Pushpa 2 The Rule earning $3 million in North America from premiere shows alone. It thus joins the ranks of Kalki 2898 AD and Bahubali 2 The Conclusion that had earned $3.9 million and $4.3 million respectively. Not just that, the film has reportedly also secured a lucrative rupees 200 crore Hindi distribution rights deal with Raveena Tandon's husband Anil Thadani. With such figures floating around, the Pushpa franchisee has indeed come a long way. जितना पहली फिल्म का लाइफ टाइम कलेक्शन रहा है, उतना शायद सीक्वल 2 दिन में कमा ले. Little wonder then that a third part is already in works. Have you seen Pushpa 2 The Rule yet? Do let us know your reviews in the comments and make sure to subscribe to Shosha for your daily